Mosaic Universalkomposit can be used for all restorative purposes, basic or complex. Its well-balanced nanohybrid formula produces restorations of the highest quality. Combining the strength properties required for posterior use with the aesthetic characteristics desired for anterior use, Mosaic Composite ensures superior results both visually and functionally. A smooth, pliable consistency allows for total control during manipulation. Once the material is shaped, it won't flow or slump out of place. 20 intuitive dentin and enamel shade options provide predictable shade matching using single, double, or multiple layer techniques. The unique composite-made layered shade guide makes it easy to visualize the final result. The 13 dentin shades on the left feature a thin layer of enamel neutral over the coronal portion of each tab. Mosaic Composite was designed to emulate the same levels of translucency and opacity seen in natural dentition. The proprietary dispersion of nanofillers in Mosaic Composite allows for a high polish and long-term gloss retention. Low volume shrinkage and low shrinkage stress reduce the potential for strain on the restoration during polymerization. High compressive and flexural strength ensure that the restoration will withstand repetitive chewing and biting forces. Dentin and enamel shades mimic the same fluorescence that occurs in natural dentin and enamel. The unique 4-gram syringe features an innovative design with a smooth contoured handle and barrel to allow for easy cleaning while still being easy to grip and identify. Mosaic is also available in convenient 0.2-gram unit dose singles.